Looking to add some excitement and mystery to your life? Check out these unbelievable spy gadgets that will make you feel like a secret agent. From hidden cameras to high-tech recording devices, these gadgets are perfect for anyone who wants to stay one step ahead. Whether you're concerned about security or just want to capture the action in style, we've got the perfect picks for you. Keep watching to discover the coolest spy gear you can get your hands on right now. See in total darkness with the InYork Night Vision Binoculars, offering an impressive 1,640 feet viewing range. Equipped with a 4-inch large viewing screen and 1080p image and video quality, these binoculars provide crystal clear vision during day and night. With 6x digital and 5x optical zoom, you can easily observe distant objects in full detail. The device features a 4-level adjustable infrared illuminator to enhance clarity in low light conditions without being noticed by animals. Powered by AA batteries or an external power bank, it stores 8 megapixels photos and videos on ATF card, supports up to 256 GB, making it ideal for hunting and surveillance. The XFLY is a biomimetic ornithopter drone inspired by bird flight, combining advanced flight technology with a unique design. Equipped with smart sensors, it corrects natural imbalances for smooth flight, even in windy conditions. With an improved flapping system and a propeller-less design, it ensures safety and maneuverability in both indoor and outdoor environments. The XFLY also features an app for flight data recording, software updates, and customizable flight modes. Its robust construction allows for resilience in harsh environments, while its expandable platform offers future-proof upgrades, including LED lighting and GPS tracking, making it the ultimate flying experience. This operational briefcase is a unique collectible, originally crafted by Hofbauer for H&K. It features a concealed MP5K weapon inside a briefcase, with a handle that houses the trigger mechanism. The briefcase is molded for the MP5K, with variations depending on the type of receiver used, such as SEF and Navy-style lowers. The briefcase is made with durable materials, including a custom metal internal frame. It's a rare and expensive item, often costing over $2,000, and makes a great addition for collectors or enthusiasts of military history. Protect your conversations with the compact RABBLER noise generator, designed to safeguard against eavesdropping. This portable device creates a speech-like noise that effectively interferes with audio surveillance devices such as voice recorders and microphones. Its unique sound mimics real human conversation, making it difficult to clean or decipher, ensuring privacy during sensitive discussions. Powered by a 9-volt battery, it operates for 5 to 10 hours, providing reliable protection in various environments. Ideal for office or personal use, this noise machine is small enough to fit in your pocket, offering an easy and discreet solution for maintaining confidentiality. The RPLATE offers a revolutionary way to personalize and manage your vehicle registration. With a mobile app, you can easily renew your registration and customize your plate's banner message in light or dark mode. Designed for durability, the RPLATE features tamper-proof mounting and can withstand extreme weather conditions, including temperatures ranging from -40 to 176 degrees Fahrenheit. Its rugged design is 5 times stronger than glass, ensuring long-lasting use. With national LTE connectivity, it enables encrypted updates and data security. Whether you're looking for personalization or practicality, the RPLATE offers both while keeping your information secure. This Night Watchman listening device offers exceptional audio capture with its 8x monocular, transparent parabolic dish, and noise-reducing headphones. Ideal for private investigators or wildlife observation, it can detect sounds from over 300 feet away. The device also includes a recording function, making it versatile for both real-time listening and storing sounds. Its ergonomic design features a grooved handle for a secure grip and a trigger for easy operation. Powered by a 9-volt battery, this device is perfect for surveillance, and its durable construction ensures reliability in various environments. The Slime Tire Sealant is a quick and efficient emergency repair solution for small to medium highway vehicles like cars and SUVs. Using FibroSeal technology, it seals punctures up to 6 mm in the tread area by forcing particles into the hole, forming a durable plug. The non-toxic, non-corrosive, and eco-friendly sealant is safe for tire pressure monitoring systems, and can be used for up to 100 miles or 3 days before seeking professional repair. Easy to apply with an air source, it provides peace of mind during unexpected flat tire situations, offering a temporary fix until a proper tire repair can be made. This Phone Safe Summit is a clever device designed to protect your privacy during sensitive conversations. By emitting ultrasonic interference, it disables the microphone of any smartphone placed inside, preventing eavesdropping or covert recording. It allows normal incoming calls while blocking voice recording software or spyware. This device is essential for information security, particularly for professionals who need to ensure that private conversations remain confidential. Its compact design makes it easy to place on a desk or table, providing a secure environment for private discussions. Ideal for safeguarding against invisible threats. The Fake Fingerprints ebook by Kajibushi Clan offers an in-depth guide to fingerprint counterfeiting techniques. It covers methods for capturing fingerprints from any surface and replicating them to bypass biometric security systems. The book delves into both basic and advanced fingerprint duplication techniques, exposing vulnerabilities in modern security measures. With expert insights, readers will learn how to manipulate and clone fingerprints, making it an essential resource for those interested in the covert world of biometric deception. This guide is invaluable for anyone seeking to understand fingerprint cloning for research or security purposes. The SOUNDCAM 2.0 is a portable, easy-to-use noise localization system with a built-in display and battery. Ideal for facilities, maintenance, and research applications. It captures sound sources using real-time data collection and advanced beamforming analysis. The device can be used with the optional Noise Inspector software for in-depth post-processing, providing high-definition sound localization. It helps in identifying pressure leaks, squeaks, rattles, and other noise issues in various environments, including product development and building acoustics. The SOUNDCAM 2.0 is perfect for continuous monitoring and end-of-line quality assurance, offering valuable insights into sound-related problems. The Invisible Watch is a unique device that features a dark screen, making it appear turned off to everyone except the wearer. Using polarized eyeglasses, you can view the hidden content, which can include text, photos, and videos. This watch can hold up to 4 GB of data, easily transferable via USB. It even has an auto-scrolling function, making it perfect for students taking exams, ensuring discrete access to information. The accompanying eyeglasses look like prescription glasses, adding to the watch's discreet nature. With its hidden technology, this watch offers privacy and convenience in any situation. Last on our list is the Hidden Camera Detector, a pocket-sized device designed to detect hidden surveillance cameras in various environments. Equipped with an infrared viewfinder, it identifies both working and non-working cameras, even in hard-to-spot places like smoke detectors or light bulbs. The device is lightweight and easy to carry, making it perfect for travel or hotel stays. It also features motion alerts, item finding, and a mini flashlight for added convenience. The user-friendly design ensures easy operation, and with a 2-year warranty, this detector offers peace of mind and privacy protection while on the go. Goodbye, gadget lovers. Which of these spy gadgets blew your mind? Let us know in the comments below and share which one you'd love to get your hands on. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more secretive tech discoveries. Stay tuned for more unbelievable gadgets. There's plenty more in store to surprise and amaze you.